Hey there, I'm Mellie Beane, and today we are going to learn how to draw some really colorful lollipops. Okay, so go ahead and get your pencil ready. I'm using a colored pencil that is erasable, or you can use a regular pencil. Now I'm just going to start drawing a swirl around and around. And the swirl kind of gets bigger as you go around, but then we're going to start making it smaller until we come back and meet the lines we drew before. I'm going to draw the stick on the lollipop and draw two lines going down. I'm going to fix that a little bit. I didn't really get it the right shape that I wanted. And erase that other line. So if you make any, do anything on your drawing that you don't like, you can always fix it in the beginning when you're just using a pencil. Just erase. So at this point you're going to pick out about 4 colors, and I'm going to start with blue. And you want to start drawing in kind of a sweeping motion around your swirl. So when you're drawing your lines, you don't want to draw straight across between the two lines that you're coloring in, but rather kind of draw with them a little bit and kind of across, if that makes sense. But just copy what I'm doing. And make sure that you're leaving enough white space in between these sections of blue that you're making so that you have room for the other 3 colors that you've chosen. But you can do as many colors as you want. I mean, you could do 10 colors if you wanted to, but just leave room for all of those colors. But for mine, I just picked 4 colors because I think that's about maybe what you would see on a lollipop. So just keep going around in this sweeping motion with the first color that you have chosen. So for this part, we're going to speed it up a little bit, speed the video up, and use your next color. And I'm going to use purple, and I'm going right up against the blue that I just drew. So maybe your colors are different. I don't know what 4 colors you picked out, but this is one of the colors I picked. So you're going to keep doing that swooping motion. And this actually makes the lollipop look more round like they do in real life. It gives it a little bit of depth. So the next color I picked was a light pink. So I'm going to continue on right next to my purple lines that I drew. I'm going to do pink. So at this point you can pick whatever color that you have chosen. So for my very last color, I picked yellow. So now I'm just going to kind of fill in all the white that's left with yellow. And you're just going to keep going all the way around, just fill them all in. Now you're gonna color in the lollipop stick, and I'm just gonna kind of use like a light brown color. You could make yours colored if you wanted to. You could make it striped, but I'm just gonna use a light brown. And I'm gonna erase anything that I can erase. Now I'm gonna use a silver gel pen and go around my swirl. But you could use a different color gel pen. You could use blue, or you could use a colored pencil of some sort. Or even a marker. So just keep going all the way around until you get to the end. Now I'm going to take a gold gel pen and I'm going to draw the outline on the lollipop stick. And I'll draw a little shadow there. Now I'm going to use a white gel pen, and I'm going to go over all the colors with little lines of white just to add some highlights, and that makes it pop a little bit more. And now I'm going to do a little squiggle all the way down the lollipop stick to give it some more highlights. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. I would love to hear from you.